Chief of Community here at Heroclip, and today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Heroclip. Step 1. To open your Heroclip, push in on the gate. Rotate the hook to either side of the clip. Step 2. Fully extend your Heroclip. Both the hook and the clip rotate 360 degrees, allowing maximum versatility and access to your gear. Step 3. To close your Heroclip, bring your hook to either side of your clip, push in on the gate, and nest them together to close. Tip 1. Have fun with your Heroclip. It's a lot stronger than you might think. Tip number 2. Heroclip will not close by bringing the hook down over the top of the clip. It must be brought to either side of the clip to close.